Whether your engine runs on gasoline or diesel, carbon buildup is its enemy, causing clogged injectors, loss of compression, high emissions, and premature wear on vital parts. Nothing works like zMAX to break down and disperse that harmful buildup and help keep your fuel system clean. zMAX Fuel Formula is a unique micro-lubricant that soaks right into the metal, using the fuel to reach deep inside to internal parts where deposits accumulate. Remember, what you can't see can hurt your fuel system. Just pour zMAX into your fuel tank to get improved performance, reduced wear on vital components, reduced emissions, and the ideal fuel mileage for your vehicle. For diesel engines, use zMAX Fuel Formula to remove contaminants such as soot that can cause black exhaust smoke from faulty or clogged injectors, diesel pumps, and other problems.